In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Zoom. Connecting these two tools makes scheduling online meetings much easier because every time someone books with you through Calendly, a Zoom link can be created automatically and added to the calendar invite. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get everything set up in just a few minutes. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps all the connections to other tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and more. Clicking this will open a new page dedicated to integrations. On the integrations page, you'll see a list of available apps or a search bar at the top. In the search bar, start typing Zoom. Make sure you type it correctly so the right integration appears. When you see Zoom video conferencing show up in the results, click on it. This will take you to the Zoom integration details page inside Calendly. On this Zoom integration page, you will find some information about what the integration does. Look for a button that says Connect Zoom. Go ahead and click that button. This is the starting point that links your Calendly account with your Zoom account. After you click Connect Zoom, a new window or tab will open, taking you to Zoom's sign-in or authorization screen. If you're not already logged into Zoom in your browser, Zoom will ask you to sign in using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, Zoom will show you a permissions or authorization page. This page explains what Calendly is allowed to do, such as creating Zoom meetings on your behalf. Carefully read through the permissions so you understand what you're approving. When you're ready, click the button to authorize or allow the connection. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts from Zoom and Calendly. These prompts might include confirming your account, closing the window, or returning to Calendly. Once you're done, you'll be taken back to Calendly, where you should now see Zoom listed as connected. From this point on, you can go into your event types and select Zoom as a location, so every new booking will automatically generate a Zoom meeting link for you.